Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my IT Corp YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you that how to create a profile in Safari on iPhone and Mac. The wait is finally over for profiles in Safari. Now profiles have finally arrived in Safari, not just on Macs but also in iPhones. With iOS 17 and macOS Sonoma, Safari is ready to conquer new territories. We all use our browsers for a mix of reasons. With the profiles, now you can neatly separate your personal sleuthing from your professional wandering on the World Wide Web. They simply keep your cookies, history, extensions, tag groups and favorites separate. And make sure that profiles in Safari are available in iOS 17. Now to create a profile for Safari on your iPhone running iOS 17, go to the Settings app. Then you are scrolling down and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, scrolling down and tap on the New Profile option under Profiles. On the page for creating a new profile, enter a name and select an icon from the numerous available. Then select a color for it. The icons and colors are meant to help you distinguish between the profiles easily. You can also configure settings like the Favorites folder and which page new tabs will display. When you are done with all the settings, then click Done in the top right corner. The profile will be created. Once the profile is created, you will be able to select which extension you want to enable for it from the extension section. Now switching between profiles on iPhone. It's a breeze to switch between profiles on iPhone. Open the Safari app and tap the tabs icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you will tap the stacked menu icon in the middle. This icon is new to iOS 17 but opens a familiar menu with some new options. The icon will also change depending on the profile you are using. Then from the menu, tap on the profile option. By default, you will be browsing in no profile in Safari until you change it. Then here, select the profile which you want to switch to. The start page will feature the color and icon of the profile, so you will always know which one you are using. So the profiles you create on your iPhone will be synced across your device using the same Apple ID and updated to the latest version. So that is how you can create a profile in Safari on your iPhone. I hope this video will help you. If it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.